Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before we continue, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at question number 7 and number 8 from 2023 November-December WASSCE General Mathematics. And number 7 says, find the equation whose roots are 2 all over 5 and minus 3. So we are going to find a quadratic equation of this root. So we have solution. Quadratic equation is in the form x squared minus the sum of root times x plus the product of root equals to 0. So in this case, we are to find the sum of the roots and also the product of the root and substitute into this expression. So the sum of the root equals to, the root are 2 over 5 and minus 3, which is 2 over 5 plus minus 3. This is what it means. We are to add this. Adding this becomes 2 over 5 minus 3. Minus 3 is the same thing as minus 3 all over 1. Looking for the LCM here is 5. So this will become 5. 5 goes here 1. 1 times 2, we have 2 minus 5 divided by 1, 5. 5 times 3, we have 15. So this becomes minus 13 all over 5. This is the sum of the root, which is minus 13 all over 5. So the product of root equals to 2 over 5 times minus 3. So this is the same thing as minus 3 times 2. We have minus 6 all over 5. So this is the sum of the root and this is the product of the root. So we are going to substitute this and this into what we have here. So this will become x squared minus the sum of the root is this. That means minus 13 all over 5 times x plus the product of the root, which is minus 6 all over 5 equals to 0. So this is the equation. We need to evaluate this for us to have a real quadratic equation. And here we have fraction here, and the denominator of this fraction is 5. So we can multiply all through by 5. So multiplying all through by 5, we have 5 times x raised to the power of 2 minus times minus will become plus 5 times 13 all over 5 x plus times minus will become minus. Going to be minus 5 times 6 all over 5 equals to 0. So in this case, 5 will cancel here, 1, 5 will cancel here, then 5 will cancel here, 5 will cancel here. So we are now left with 5x squared plus, this is 13x minus 6 equals to 0. So we can rewrite this for us to see the equation of this quadratic, where we have, this is 5x squared plus 13x minus 6 equals to 0. So this is the equation whose roots are 2 over 5 and minus 3. This is one method. We can find another method to find the equation. Other method, or method 2, the equation is in the form that x plus a into x plus b equals to 0. In this case, a and b is the root of the equation. So we have x. This will become x equals to minus a and x equals to minus b. So in this case, let's see what we have as a and what we have as b. So the a, we have x equals to 2 all over 5 and x equals to minus 3. So in this case, when this transposes into this other side, we have x minus 2 all over 5 and x plus 3 equals to 0. Because minus 3 will transpose into this other side, become plus 3. Now we can expand this. Expanding this, we have x times x, we have x squared, then x times 3, we have plus 3x. Then we have minus 2 all over 5 times x, we have minus 2 all over 5x. Then minus 2 all over 5 times 3, we have minus 6 all over 5 equals to 0. So in this case, we can see that we have 3x here minus 2 all over 5x. So we will evaluate this. So evaluating this will become, we find LCM. LCM here is 5. So 5 all over 1 is 5. 5 times 3, we have 15x. Then 5 divided by 5, we have 1. So 1 times 2, we have minus 2, all x. So this is where we are solving now. Minus 6 all over 5 equals to 0. Then we bring down x squared plus. So here we can have this is the same thing as x squared plus 15x minus 2 will become 13x all over 5 minus 6 all over 5 equals to 0. So we have a fraction here. We can multiply all through by 5. So we have 5x squared plus 13 all over 5 x times 5 minus 6 all over 5 times 5 equals to 0. Here 5 will cancel here 1, 5 will cancel here 1, 5 will cancel here, and 5 will cancel here. So we are now left with, this is what we are now left with, 5x squared plus 13. 13 times x is 13x, then minus 6 equals to 0. We can see that we have the same equation what we have here. So either of the method 1 or the method 2 can still arrive at the same answer. We need to clean this for number 8. So we have number 8. Make C the subject of the relation in k minus m equals to square root of k all over c minus m all over k. So we have solution. We need to make c the subject of this expression. So we have k minus m equals to square root of k all over c minus m all over k. So we have a square root here. What we need to do to eliminate the square root is to square both sides. So we say square both sides. This will become k minus m all squared equals to square root of k all over c minus m all over k all squared. So in this case, square root will cancel square here. We'll have k minus m all squared equals to k all over c minus m all over k. In this case, we can collect like terms. Like terms in the sense that to make this c, we move this other side to this other side. We move m minus m all over k to this other side. So we have k minus m all squared plus m all over k equals to k all over c. So this is where we have c here. We can make the subject of this expression. Here, we cannot cross multiply because this is a fraction. We have to add these two together. Adding these two together, this is the same thing as all over 1. Then we have, take the LCM. LCM 1 and k is k. So we have k all over 1 is k. K times this, we have k into k minus m all to the power of 2 plus k all over k is 1. 1 times m is m equals to k all over c. We just bring down this. So in this case, we can cross multiply now. When we cross multiply, we have c into k minus m all squared plus m equals to k squared, k times k. So we have that. Then let's move to this other side. So we clean this and move to this other side. So this is, let's bring down this. We have c into k minus m all squared plus m into equals to k squared. So here we can divide both sides by this. So dividing all through by that will become c will become k squared all over the whole of this, which is k into k minus m squared plus m. So this is the value of c that we are asked to make c the subject of the relation in this equation. So this is the value of c. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.